Alright class, next topic is about applications of differentiation. So we need to apply the differentiation for tangent lines to a curve. Okay, for this topic, we're going to find the equation of the tangent line and normal line. Okay, so let's say we have a graph here. This is x, this is y. Okay, and then let's say we have a curve here. And then this is point P. So there is a tangent line that touch to the curve at point P. So this is tangent line. Okay, before this, we only find the gradient of the tangent line. Okay, before this, we only find the gradient of the tangent line. But now, we have to find the equation of the tangent line. Okay, equation of the tangent line. That means we need to find the y equals to something. Okay, y equals to something. So, how to find the equation of the tangent line is by using the equation of the curve. Okay, let's say equation of the curve is y equals to 3x squared plus 2. Let's say. Okay, and then we have a point P here. Point P, this one x1, y1. Okay, so from equation of the curve, y equals to 3x squared plus 2 at point P. Okay, at point P, let's say I'm gonna put the point P is 1, 4. Let's say. Okay, and then the first step we need to find the gradient of the tangent line. Okay, to get the equation, okay, equation of the tangent line, we need to find the gradient of the tangent line first. How to find? The first step is the gradient of the tangent line. It is equal dy over dx. From this equation, we need to differentiate from this equation. Okay, let's say you differentiate this one, 3x squared, you get 6x. Differentiate 2, you get 0. Okay, but we need to find the value for the gradient tangent. Okay, the value for the gradient tangent. Kita tak nak dalam bentuk variable x. We need to find the value for the gradient tangent. We know that the tangent line, it is touched to the curve at point P. Okay, so for x, this is x1, this is y1. Then, the point for x, we need to substitute into this x. Okay, 1 ni, okay, satu ni substitute into x to get the value of the gradient tangent. Okay, so it will become 6, 1. So 6 times 1, you get 6. So this is the value of the gradient of tangent line. Okay, this is the first step. Okay, use this point P. Okay, for x is 1, then substitute into x. You get the value for the gradient of tangent line. Okay, and then second step, use the formula to get the equation. Use the formula y minus y1 equal m times x minus x1. So y1 is this one, 4. Okay, y1 is 4. Let's say this is example. Okay, this is example. Y minus 4 equals m is what? Okay, m is gradient tangent 6. Okay, gradient tangent which is 6. Okay, substitute into formula. And then x minus x1. x1 is at this point P. Okay, and then you need to solve, okay, to get an equation. So this is for equation of tangent line. Okay, the step to find the equation of tangent line. And then we need to find the equation of normal line. Normal line, it is perpendicular at the tangent line through point P also. Through point P also. They perpendicular to the tangent line through point P also. Okay, so this is normal line. So, how to find the equation for normal line? The first step, okay, let's say this is the third step lah. Third step, we need to find the equation of normal line. So, to find the, we need to find the gradient. The gradient for the normal line. M normal. Okay, ni saya short form kan, norm ni. That means gradient for normal line. It is equal negative 1 over M tangent. This is formula untuk dapatkan gradient for normal line. It is negative 1 over M tangent. So, negative 1 over M tangent is this one, 6. Okay, negative 1 divided by gradient of tangent. We know that the gradient of tangent is 6. So, this is gradient for normal, negative 1 over 6. Okay, for example, ni contoh use this formula. Okay, or another example, if we get the gradient of tangent is 2 over 3, for example. Okay, for example, if we get the gradient of tangent 2 over 3, so you have to substitute into formula to get the gradient for normal. It is negative 1 over 2 over 3, and then you have to kena terbalikkan dia. Okay, it will be negative 3 over 2. Terbalikkan dia. Okay, negative 1 divide 2 over 3, and then from division, okay, make it multiply, and 3 over 2. So negative 1 times 3, so negative 3 over 2. Awak terbalikkan nilai dia. Okay, kalau awak dapat gradient tangent ni dalam bentuk pecahan. Okay, so if gradient of tangent 2 over 3, then gradient for normal negative 3 over 2. Okay, terbalikkan nilai dia. Okay. And then, step 4, to get an equation for normal line, y minus y1 equals to negative 1 over m times x minus x1. Okay. And then, y minus y1 is this one, 4. Okay, guna point yang sama sebab okay, dia perpendicular to the tangent line that through point P. Point yang sama. Okay, dia touch to point yang sama. So, use this point. Okay, y1 is 4, x1 is 1. So, y minus 4 equals negative 1 over m. This one, awak dah cari ni. Negative 1 over 6. Negative 1 over m ni, that means gradient for normal, negative 1 over 6. Okay, and then x minus x1 is 1. And then you need to solve to get an equation. Okay, boleh faham now? So we have 4 steps here. Okay, to get the equation of for tangent line and normal line. Okay, so nak lagi faham, kita go to the example. Go to the example. Example 1.18. Okay, it gives us the equation of a curve y equals to 5 plus x minus x square. This is equation of the curve at point negative 2, negative 1. So this is x1, this is y1. Okay, and then the first step, we need to find the gradient of the tangent line. Okay, gradient of the tangent line, m tangent, it is equal dy over dx. So differentiate 5, you get 0. Differentiate x, you get 1. Differentiate negative x square, you get negative 2x. Okay, and then we need to find the value. Okay, we need to get the value for the gradient of tangent. How to find? Substitute x negative 2, substitute into this x. Okay, therefore 1 minus 2, x is negative 2. Okay, so 2 times 2 you get 4, negative, negative, positive. So 1 plus 4. It is equal 5. So this is gradient of tangent. Okay, the value for gradient of tangent. And then we need to find the equation of the tangent line. Equation of tangent. Y minus y1, use formula, equals to m times x minus x1. Okay, this is formula to get an equation of tangent line. And then y minus, we know that y1 is negative 1, x1 is negative 2. So substitute into formula. Okay, y minus is a formula, okay, and then y1 is negative 1. M is this one, 5, gradient of tangent. X minus, we know that x1 is negative 2. Okay. And then, negative should be positive, y plus 1. 5. And then this one, negative positive, so x plus 2. And then you need to expand. Okay, so y plus 1 equals to 5x plus 2. Okay, we only need to find the equation of tangent. So we need to make y as a subject. Y equals to 5x. Okay, so, sorry, 5 times x, 5x, 5 times 2, 10. So, sorry. Okay, and then 5x, okay, positive 1, when you move it to the right side, it will be minus. So, 10 minus 1, you get 9. So, this is the answer for equation of tangent line. Okay, you faham now? So, this is the first step, second step. Okay, first step, this is second step. And then, we need to find the equation of normal line. So, the third step is, we need to find the gradient of normal line. Okay, M normal. It is equal negative 1 over M tangent. So we know that M tangent is 5. Okay, M tangent is 5. So substitute into formula to get the gradient for normal. Negative 1 over 5. So this is gradient for normal. Okay, and then step 4 is y. We need to find the equation of normal. So y minus y1 equals negative 1 over m times x minus x1. So y minus y1 is this one. Okay, point yang sama. Okay, sebabnya dia perpendicular to the tangent line through the same point. Okay, negative 1 equals to negative 1 over m, this one. Okay, gradient for normal. Negative 1 over 5. X minus x1 is negative 2. Okay. Nampak nah? And then, negative positive. So, y plus 1 equals to x negative positive, so negative 1 over 5 x plus 2. Okay, and so y plus 1 equals to, you need to expand this one. Okay, expand. How did you get? Negative 1 over 5 x. Negative 1 over 5 times 2, you get negative 2 over 5. Okay, try calculate dapat tak negative 2 over 5. Okay, and then we need to make y as a subject. Y equals to negative x over 5, negative 2 over 5. Positive 1, when you move it to the right side, it will become minus. So, negative 2 over 5 minus 1, you get negative 7 over 5. Okay, and then this equation, we cannot let the answer as a fraction. Okay, so we have to eliminate the fraction. How to eliminate the fraction is times 5. multiply 5. Why multiply 5? Because this fraction is 5 here. We have the denominator 5. Okay, kalau denominator dia 4, this one 4, then you have to multiply 4. Okay, so this one is 5. Okay, y times 5, you get 5y. And then negative x over 5 times 5. So you can eliminate the 5. So the rest is negative x. Negative 7 over 5 times 5. You can eliminate 5. So the rest is negative 7. So this is the answer. Okay, boleh faham now? Okay, we have to eliminate the fraction. Okay, jadikan dia nombor bulat macam ni. Alright, no need to fraction. Okay, what about if we have 12 and then we have 8 here? Okay, so how to eliminate the fraction? We need to multiply with the biggest number, which is 12. Okay, multiply with the biggest number, 12. Okay, boleh faham dah? Jangan ambil nombor yang kecil, ambil nombor yang paling besar. Alright. Okay, boleh faham dah? This is how to find the equation of tangent and normal line. Okay, equation for tangent line and normal line. Kalau tak faham, boleh tanya dalam WhatsApp. Okay.